Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday. I got a couple things I got to do today. Got to run. Actually, I need to get a shave and a haircut. Got to get that done. I got to get the car washed today. Beyond that, I think that's about it. Let's over at the store. She was over there last night. Spent the night there. Talked to her this morning. She said she had a hard time sleeping because of all the trucks going by. They're very loud. But yeah, she was over there last night and she said she did pretty good with sales all the way up till about 11 o'clock, and then this morning she said she was open at 5:30, so I know she's going to be tired. Matter of fact, tomorrow we're taking off. We're not going to open up the store because we got some things that we just need to get done. And one of the things I need to get done is I need to get to the post office and check on a P.O. box. So that's got to be done tomorrow. There's a few other things. So, but anyways, off to get a haircut and a shave and get the car washed. And the motorcycle is filthy, dirty, dusty. I haven't ridden it in about a month. Just been busy with the store, and bike's been sitting. Got a little cobweb going there. So I need to get out there or get down to the car wash and get this bike cleaned up. It's all dusty. Time for a bath. Alright, so I am all cleaned up. Nice shave, nice haircut. If you ever get a haircut or a shave here in the Philippines, a lot of times what they do is, it's red. Huh. But a lot of times what they do is they'll give you like a massage, or like massage your face. Well, at least my barber does. They'll massage my face, my forehead, my neck, my shoulders. Usually does that after he's done with the shave and the haircut. But I think it was, what was it? 140 pesos for a haircut and a shave. You're looking at, let's see, 100 to about $3 roughly, something like that for a haircut and a shave. I mean, you can't beat that. I mean, the price, you just can't beat it. I know what I was paying back in the States when I was getting a haircut without a shave. But I'm all cleaned up. Motorcycle's all cleaned up. Car's all cleaned up. I just got done talking to Lut. She's laying down in the store. She's pretty tired. I'll be heading over there real soon. Also got a text message from somebody who's more than likely gonna meet us up here today. So I guess the next stop for me is over at the store. All right, I'm at the L&H Sorry store right now.
Hi guys.
Lut, how was your night last night? Why was it terrible?
I was like thinking, oh my God, how could you sleep over here? Jesus, tried all day long. I was like, I was so sleepy, like I tried to sleep, but then later on, you know when you are like you already like fall asleep and then like, and then like I woke up my brother. I thought like, hey, wake up, it's already 10. And he jumped in bed. And then when I looked at my phone, oh my God, it's just only 2 o'clock. That's crazy. And until like morning, until like 5. Oh, it's like, when did it stop? Oh, I want to sleep. Like, oh, that's crazy.
Not a good night.
No, not at all.
Now, do you... You? How was your night, Hannah
She
Grace?
just snoring.
How was your night? Good?
Good.
Did you sleep all night? Yeah. Snoring away?
I wake up at 10 o'clock.
You woke up at 10 o'clock today?
Yeah.
Wow. So you had a good night's sleep. Did it kind of like remind you when we lived in Hensonville?
It is. Like, this is crazy. How could this, like, how could it be? Like, how could these people sleep?
When we lived in Hensonville, the right where we were at was a speed bump. So everybody would hit that speed bump and then take off. And then at night you have these guys that ride around with these loud pipes. And then they're actually winding out the gears right by our apartment there. And man, you couldn't sleep at night. And then if that wasn't going on, people were screaming videoke to early hours in the morning. And then the one girl that lived next to us, she worked down in Manila. So she would come home on the weekends.
Yeah.
She'd come home on the weekends and about 4 o'clock in the morning, sit outside the apartment instead of texting the people inside and saying, hey, I'm here, can you open up the gate? She would sit outside and just beep her horn until they came and open up the gate. But Lut did not have a good night's sleep. I don't know if she's going to do it again. You going to do it again, Lut?
I'll have breakfast.
Yeah, she'll probably do it again, but we got a
every Saturday. Ano dan lang?
we got a customer. Hello. What do
Yung
you?
energy na vanilla, ito ganito. Dalawa.
But anyways, huh?
She's a pretty girl.
Yes, she's a pretty girl.
Ito.
But anyways,
Oh, she's so pretty.
I know one thing. I slept good last night.
Oh yeah, because where we are, it's very quiet.
Yeah, it's very quiet where we're at. Unless
somebody kicks the door.
yeah, unless one of the neighbor's drunk girlfriend comes home that he just broke up with and starts kicking the door at the middle of the night. That happened about a week ago.
Anong flavor?
One neighbor, he broke up with one of the girls, and she came and she was all drunk and she was kicking the door and yelling and banging her head on the door, and the guy wouldn't let her in, and I think it woke everybody up. Even the neighbor dogs were barking. But I slept good. All right, so we had some people stop by today. You might recognize him. I did a couple months ago. We were down there visiting them. They're all the way from Manila. They came up from Manila to visit. The one and only Joseph. My Life in Manila, right?
That's right.
That's the name of it now. and of course, Jinky.
Hello.
Jinky come along for the ride. Yeah, they stopped up. They were out riding around today, and they were up this way, and they stopped by. It was actually another surprise. So, but yeah, that's the man right there. Check out his vlogs if you haven't.
Jake wants me to do that.